Bitcoin is fooling everyone in the market. Manipulation phase is about to end and the expansion phase is about to start for Bitcoin, and this could lead to massive gains for Bitcoin. With that, I'm opening up a major position over on Bitcoin because this setup is just insane and this will lead for so much profit in the market. I'm gonna deep dive this exact trading setup in today's video, but first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss something throughout the day in crypto. And of course, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the chart for now. Because what we can see is that Bitcoin is creating a power of 3 pattern. What does this mean? Bitcoin trapped everyone in a position in the accumulation phase. So people bought their Bitcoin, opened up their trade over in this accumulation phase, and that is exactly what the market makers want. Then after that, they were holding support on the lower side of this range of this accumulation phase. And after that, they pushed the price towards the downside for Bitcoin. Manipulate everyone out of their position, out of the market, buy back fear in the market. Everyone was selling their Bitcoin at the lower side of this manipulation. Of course, I said that this was a great buy opportunity because the manipulation phase is the best phase to buy back your Bitcoin, to buy and open up your trades, because that is exactly what we have been seeing right over here. And if you could buy in fear and if you could buy in manipulation phases, you would have been in a very nice profit for now. But the most interesting thing is that if we look at the manipulation phase and the power of 3 pattern, we can see that manipulation is about to end here and the distribution phase is about to start for Bitcoin. And that is where the real upside comes with the gains here. We have almost completed manipulation phase, and the distribution phase will start a massive expansion towards the upside. And most of the time we pump to above the high of the accumulation phase, the range. So that will mean that we will print a new all-time high for Bitcoin of approximately $130,000 or even higher in this expansion phase. This is massive. Also, if we look at this trend line supported Bitcoin so many times here, but right now we broke through. We have been seeing not real sell pressure when we dropped below this line, and that is what you want to see if you are breaking down. So what does this tell me? That this is also pure manipulation for the market makers. Look at this. If everyone who bought at this trend line, it was too easy, and we all know that easy money is not here in crypto. So it was too obvious to buy this trend line once again. And what they are doing then is push the price below this trend line to trick everyone out of the market, manipulate and capitulate people out of their position, and then start the next leg towards the upside. And I think that is exactly what will happen for Bitcoin. But of course, on the higher time frame, upside is about to come. But how can we anticipate on those moves? I am planning to open up a major position on Bitcoin. We have been raising for so long, and ever since we have been raising, I said if we break towards the upside or towards the downside, I'm opening up a massive position. And guess what? That is exactly what we did yesterday. We broke out of this range towards the upside above resistance. So what does this mean? That a major long position is activated. And where am I looking to open up a long position? This is a really aggressive entry at the $95,000. That is exactly where I'm opening up a position. But really interesting thing is if you look at my order, this is a really small order. Why? Because ultimately I want Bitcoin to see fall back down further. Why? If price pulls back towards our aggressive zone of approximately $95,000, the risk to reward is not the best. So I'm opening up a trade right here that if we drop towards that level, I'm in a position, and if Bitcoin rises, I am in a position and making profit. But if that trade gets stopped out and we drop further towards the downside, that is where I'm opening up a really big position, because the risk to reward is just massive at this point, and the position will probably look something like this, and a major target of approximately $100,000 or even higher towards the $105,000. This is the exact trade I'm looking for Bitcoin, and if this happened, I will keep you posted over on my X page, over on my daily update videos on YouTube. So please make sure to subscribe right over here, to follow me over on X, and the most important part, please make sure to join my free Telegram community with the first link in the description, because I will post everything right over there. Right now, we are just waiting. We are gaining a really interesting point in the market. Please keep your patience and wait for Bitcoin to come back lower. Right here, your really aggressive entry, and right here, your safe entry and your best risk to reward. This is my plan for the upcoming weeks for Bitcoin, and I really think that this could lead for massive gains, and I'm calling it live here in this daily update video. And if you want to trade those moves by yourself over on Blowfin or over on WeX, please make sure to sign up through the links in the description. If you want to trade over on WeX, sign up on WeX through the link in the description, and exactly the same for Blowfin. I will give you all the setups and all the data you need in the market. The only thing you need to do is benefit from it over on those exchanges. Also, if you look at some on-chain data, we can see that momentum is shifting. The green shoots appearing on the short-term holder momentum indicator, and this is a really interesting level in the market, because we have seen it in May 2025 right over here, and that was the exact moment Bitcoin started to rise towards new all-time highs afterwards. And right now we are seeing that exact same signal once again. We are flipping bullish once again on the short-term momentum, and this could lead for a major move towards the upside, and that is the exact reason I am opening up some major trades over on Bitcoin. This is the signal that upside is about to come for Bitcoin, and I really think that new all-time highs will happen anytime soon here for Bitcoin. Ending with that, please make sure to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And you can always join my free Telegram link group with the first link in the description. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.